Wow.
Somehow I always get his back. There we go.
With a high loader.
Yeah, that's an impressive. You want me to help you get that out of there?
Well, he's willing to assist.
Here, let's see if you want me to help you get it out of there?
Hands off, Grandpa.
Yeah.
This is my tractor.
That is a neat tractor, Dee. I'll be happy to help you get it out of there, Dee, if you want me to.
Do you want help from grip? Stop. I don't want you to break it.
Let's do some basic help, Dieter, because this is...
I think this is probably one that you turn something on the bottom and it opens up.
Try and turn him around so he's on the video instead of his back, so that they can see it.
Dieter. Yeah, open the bottom. They've gotten very smart about how they do those now.
Mostly so they can't be ripped out.
Well, yeah, but also so that they open. I mean, that other thing opened really well.